Today we're cleaning the filter on this McGraw 20-gallon air compressor, so let's get right into it. If you forgot, since you've set it up, or maybe you've picked this up at a garage sale or an estate sale, the air filter is on the side. It looks like this. It's a little black cylinder. You'll press down on the outside cap and twist to the left. This will open it right up.
So the first thing you need to know is these things are quite fragile, so you got to be gentle with them. If yours is paper, the second thing you need to know is definitely don't use water. If you have a foam one, you can use water, but if yours is paper like this, obviously water is going to destroy it. So I got a few ways here that we can clean this, and we'll see how it goes. First one would be to just kind of knock it off outside of just banging it. You can put it in a small bag. I have like a dog bag here. If you don't want to make a mess or you're inside or whatever, you just bang it, again, being kind of gentle, but you want to knock loose any dirt, debris that's in there, and see how that goes. We got a good amount of it off. Definitely looking better. Next, if you've got a brush like this, you can just dry clean it as such, getting all this out of here. Again, just being gentle with it, knocking loose some of this stuff. Don't forget the inside. If you have any access to compressed air, either in a canister or a shop vac like this, where you can reverse it and blow it out, that works well too, and we're gonna see if we can just blow out a lot of this stuff as well. But if you want to get absolutely crazy, you can get a little pipe cleaner such as this one. After you pop off one of the tops, kind of peel off their glue. They're not really supposed to be, but, and then clean down in there like this. Again, you probably don't have to do this unless it's like really bad. I also would, these things are kind of cheap, so I would say just buy another one. But in any event, I'm just showing you options, and this is just something that you could do. You'll also want to make sure that the filters are spaced out nicely. You don't want any clumped up like this, but again, you really shouldn't have to worry about this or go this in depth unless it's just like filthy and you have no other options. And then you can put the top back on like this, and we're just going to put it back inside the compartment with the backing, so we'll be just fine. And obviously you can just use a vacuum with some soft bristles to get this out here as well. And you want to get anything out of here.
And that's it. It's not perfect, but it's looking 100% better. We've got all that dirt out of there. It's caked off, it's dry, it's ready to go. I hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.